An old Cherokee is teaching his grandson about life. A fight is going on inside of me, he said to the boy. It is terrible. It is a fight between two wolves. One is evil. He is anger, envy, sorrow, regret, greed, arrogance, self pity, guilt, resentment, inferiority, lies, false pride, superiority, and ego. He continued. The other is good. He is joy, peace, love, hope, serenity, humility, kindness, benevolence, empathy, generosity, truth, compassion, and faith. The same fight is going on inside of you, inside of every other person, too. The grandson thought about it for a minute. And then he asked his grandfather, which wolf wins? The old Cherokee simply replied, the one that you feed.
Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn.